Hey there, folks. We're gonna make a traditional breakfast, which will be potatoes, eggs, toast, and corned beef hash. That's right. So, what we got? We got the potatoes cut up. They're currently cooking in the deep fryer. Deep. Correct. Now we're gonna, while that's going, let's cook the eggs. A little spot of oil in the pan. 1, 2. We'll let eggs cook. Hash or more. Potatoes should be just about done by now, so we'll check it. Plates are ready. Look at that hash. That's pretty good hash. Potatoes are done. Let's check it. Eggs are done. You don't want the brown, but that's okay for this one. As we cook the other eggs, let's season the potatoes. Okay, let's season the potatoes. Bacon bit. Old Bay white truffle. Let's get back to the eggs. Salt. And one more ingredient. Let's see here. Find it. Where are you, my pretty? Here we go. Garlic. Potatoes, done. Let's bread. Let's do the hash. We got 2 separate hash. Corned beef hash patties. We're gonna cook this. We're gonna add a little butter. Then we're gonna plate. We got our toast ready, and the potatoes are hash is cooking just fine. Now we're gonna cook the toast. Put a little butter on top. Some cinnamon, honey from Monastery Cream, and bam, instant breakfast. Eggs of medium, potatoes, toast, and corned beef hash. So easy, you could make it yourself. So definitely check it out, make it, try it. It's delicious. Now, as always, like and subscribe for more awesome videos from PND Studios. Till next time, folks. Peace.